It's precisely at times like these that I ask myself, what the fuck am I doing? It's day 21 and it's the last day of week 3 and I still have one location to do this week. And I am just, I'm just sick of it. I'm driving just so that I can complete this location thing for no other reason than because I set this arbitrary rule for myself at the start of the challenge.
I have 3 rules for myself. The second one is I have to make music in 2 new locations per week.
Seriously. Seriously, dude. Well, this is Australia for you. Beautiful, beautiful Australia. Truly a holiday destination. Let's sit down on a rock and play my guitar like a fucking weirdo. Oh my god. That's not bad, you know. When we think of a melody, that's the question though. No. I'm just not good enough at guitar to play it and sing random shit as well. Dude, I have not stopped looking left and right to see if anyone's coming, because I'm a weirdo. Alright, we'll get a melody at home. That was really quick. Really fucking quick, and I'm a little bit less pissed off than I was to start with. I'm still a bit pissed. OMG. Just had a quick idea. I feel like every one of the last few days has been very bossa nova vibes, but I'm gonna record that. One day I'll ride a green wave in Tahiti, but these days I lie awake. Another week is all I got, another beach house in my mind. But these I just spent like, what is it, 2 hours or something? Even more, well, if you include the time it took me to go buy it. Even more than 2 hours getting this new record, which is absolutely fire, by the way, to move this onto iTunes so that I can get it on my iPod. Focus. But it took forever. Realistically, I don't have that kind of time to be wasting doing that, but it was kind of fun, and it got me thinking, what if I sampled this record for my day 24 sound? That could be so cool. I think I found the sample. Fuck, this is so good. Yeah, I like that one. fun. That's day, I said day 24 before, but it's not day 24. It's day 23, baby. Let's go. I just made my sound of the day. It's literally just like a... I should have learned my chords. And then we could go down to the... That's good. Okay, hi team. Good morning. It's the morning of Saturday, and once again, like last week, I have left the location rule to the end of the week. At the end of last week when I did that, it meant that it was kind of like a bit more of a, I have to do this rather than, oh cool, we get to go to a cool location and make music. Truly a holiday destination. But this is not completely the end of the week, so it's Saturday, and I am heading out for something that's not involved with the music and the sound of the day, but I thought, why not bring an ukulele? That ukulele has been with me to multiple continents because it's like $30 on Amazon. It's so easy to like strap onto the side of a bag, and there's something special about it, a modification that I've made, which makes it infinitely more fun to play and write with. So I haven't written with an ukulele like ever, but let's find a spot and write some ukulele. We made it. We made it to one of my favorite places in Sydney. All right. Basically, the thing that's special about this ukulele is I've removed the bottom string, which means that I can play it like a guitar. The top 3 strings are basically tuned like the top 3 of a guitar would be, so I can just play triads. When you've got 3 notes, there's not much you can really do, which is great. But I mean, there's a lot you can do. It's a 1/4 progression, but it sounds nice because I'm keeping this note going. But then that means that if I'm keeping this constant, I can move the thing that's on this string. So it can be a... Yeah, I love it. Watch that one. Watching me. No. Watch me, watch me falling, watch me. No. Watch that. Watch me falling, watch me. There's a wedding going on over there. People being happy. Feels good, man. Feels good. Watch me falling, watch me. 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 Basically the same melody, but I know it wants to dance between the chords. And there's basically 3 key changes kind of. Falling, watch me. Then we got this. Watch me falling, watch me. Watch me falling, watch me. Repeat again. Watch me falling, watch me. Watch me falling, watch me. And then the 3rd key. Watch me falling, watch me. Yeah. Watch me falling. Oh my god, I wrote something. I definitely feel like I'm going to come back here more to make music, because that was really inspiring. I didn't feel self-conscious at all, because I was just like in the corner over there. On the drive home, I was very much contemplating, actually before the drive home, I decided that I was going to come home and kind of finish it, get the melody right, do some production, record it in properly. But no, I'm not, because that's not the point of this challenge. The point of this challenge is to engage with music every day, and that's what I did, and it feels really good, and I don't want to push it past that point, because maybe that's what I've been doing for so long, is just thinking that music has to be a final product that's super polished and produced and has heaps of layers and yada yada. No, maybe it's even prettier if it's not that, because it's more authentic to the moment. One thing that I want to address really quickly is that, oh, we didn't do the person of week 4. I did. I made music with a friend, a new friend of mine who also makes music YouTube videos, Trev Barnes. And we made a tune and intended to make another tune actually on camera, but then stuff happened and it didn't eventuate. That's done. Just as I thought we were on the home stretch and nothing else could happen. Look at this. See that? I jarred my finger playing football. So yesterday I got really pissed at myself because I was trying to play piano and guitar and it just wasn't working. So today, and probably tomorrow, I'm gonna be making something just purely on my computer. Let's see what we can do. Let's just play with one finger for the bass. Kookaburra. Whoa. Australia's pretty epic. A holiday destination. I know you don't want to realize me, to be beside me. It's such a shit lyric. Yeah, right. We got a thing. So that's day 29 complete. One more day to go in this entire challenge, which is pretty crazy. We made it. I am really tired. A big long day of work again. I did this last year actually, where I built up the last day in my head and was starting to think, oh my god, I gotta make something cool. And last year I did the same thing. But last year I actually did make something really cool. A song that I literally released. But this year, there's no way I'm gonna do that. And I started to realize that if I were to push hard today and make a finished song when I'm tired, it would kind of be completely wrong for the direction the whole challenge has been going. And the best part that has come out of this challenge has been me realizing that I can have short sessions and I can play and make little elements and it can still be a real music session. So let's just have some fun making some sounds. Goosebumps. And not just because I'm cold. I gotta be careful with this movement one, because I don't want it to lose its loneliness by adding too many voices.